JFK Electronic Company Limited is an over 15-year professional manufacturer of camera electronic products, including car DVR, security camera, trail camera, mini camera. Welcome to our factory.
A leading security camera manufacturing facility based in the vibrant city of Shenzhen. Since our establishment in 2012, we have been dedicated to providing top-notch security camera solutions to our valued customers worldwide. Situated in a modern facility spanning 150 square meters, our factory is equipped with cutting-edge technology and advanced production systems. With a team of 120 highly skilled professionals, including 12 meticulous quality control experts, 20 experienced technicians, and 8 members in our research and development, we strive to deliver the best products and solutions to meet our customers' needs. Our QC team is committed to upholding the highest standards of quality. They carefully inspect each security camera, ensuring that it meets our stringent criteria for performance, reliability, and durability. We take great pride in the quality of our products, and our QC team plays a pivotal role in maintaining our reputation for excellence. At JFK Electronic, we believe in continuous innovation. Our dedicated RiveTAD department, comprising 8 talented individuals, is focused on staying at the forefront of technology. They work tirelessly to develop new and advanced features, ensuring that our security cameras remain cutting-edge and capable of meeting the evolving needs of our customers. Thank you for considering JFK Electronic Company Limited as your trusted partner in security camera manufacturing. We look forward to serving you with our exceptional products and services, and we are confident that our commitment to excellence will exceed your expectations.
JFK Electronic Company Limited. Building bridges to success. Elevate your brand with our OEM/ODM expertise.